Do you know why 99% of small YouTube channels never grow? It's not because they're not talented. It's not because they don't have something valuable to share. It's because somewhere along the line they gave up. They walked away from their dream too soon. If you're watching this right now, I believe it's because deep down, you still have that fire in your heart. You still want to grow. You still want to make it. And today, I want to remind you why you can. ETs, be honest. Being a small YouTuber is hard. You put hours, sometimes days, into creating a video. You record, edit, design your thumbnail, write your description, and when you finally upload it, you're excited. You think, this is the one. This video is going to take off. But then reality hits. Maybe it gets 10 views, maybe 20, and out of those, half are from your family and friends. You refresh your analytics, hoping to see the numbers move, but they don't. And in that moment, you feel invisible. I know how discouraging that is. It feels like shouting into an empty room. You start questioning yourself. Am I wasting my time? Maybe YouTube isn't for me. Maybe I'll never grow. And that's exactly where most small creators give up. That's why 99% never make it. Not because they couldn't, but because they stop before their time. But here's the truth. Every big YouTuber you admire today started exactly where you are. They uploaded videos that nobody watched. They struggled with 0 subscribers. They asked themselves the same questions you're asking now. The difference is they didn't quit. They kept uploading when nobody was watching. They kept learning, improving, and showing up even when the results were disappointing. And that's what separates the 1% from the 99%. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's persistence. It's the ability to keep going when everything in you says stop. And if you can hold on, if you can stay consistent, if you can keep showing up, you'll make it into that 1%. I want you to hear this. Your efforts are not wasted. Every video you upload is teaching you something. Every thumbnail you design is building your skills. Every mistake you make is preparing you for the day when more people are watching. Think about it. Would you even be ready for thousands of views if you didn't go through the season of growth? This is your training ground. This is where you're building resilience. This is where you're learning how to create better content, how to connect with people, and how to trust the process. Even if you only have 5 viewers right now, those are 5 real lives, and you have no idea how deeply your video might impact them. To someone out there, your content could be the encouragement they needed today. Don't underestimate the power of small beginnings. Here's what I want you to remember. Your breakthrough can come when you least expect it. Sometimes it's your 50th video. Sometimes it's your 100th. But it only happens if you're still here to upload it. The YouTubers you see with millions of subscribers didn't find success overnight. For most of them, it took years. Years of uploading with barely any attention. Years of questioning themselves. Years of wondering if they should just quit. But because they stayed, because they believed in their vision, one video eventually changed everything. And the same thing can happen for you. Your next video could be the one that reaches thousands. Your consistency could be the reason YouTube finally notices your channel. But it will never happen if you stop now. So yes, 99% of small channels never grow. But that doesn't have to be your story. You are not part of the 99%. You're the 1% who keeps going, who refuses to give up, who dares to believe in your dream. I know it's hard. I know it hurts sometimes. But every step you take, every video you upload, is bringing you closer to where you want to be. Don't give up now. Don't let discouragement steal your future. Stay consistent. Keep believing. Your breakthrough is coming. And when it does, you'll look back on these days and say, I'm glad I never quit. If this video encouraged you, hit like so more small creators can see it. Subscribe because this journey is tough, but we're in it together. And remember, be the 1%. See you in the next video.